Hello, fifth graders. It is time to teach you how to multiply fractions. It's very, very easy. All right. The first thing you do is you multiply numerator times numerator. 1 times 3 is 3. The next thing you do is that you multiply denominator times denominator. 3 times 5 is 15. Then you've got to ask yourself the two questions. Is this an improper fraction? The answer is no. Is this in simplest form? It is not in simplest form. Take the 3, you take the 15, you find the factors. 1 and 3 are the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5, and 15 are the factors. 3 is the greatest common factor. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Your answer is 1/5. That is the end. Easy. Now your turn. 1/2 times 2/3. Solve this now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Is that an improper fraction? No. Is that its simplest form? No. The greatest common factor is 2. Now, if you didn't simplify, you got the wrong answer. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1/3 is the answer. Let's do another one. 3/4 times 3/4. Pause video. All right, let's see how bad you did. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? Yes. The answer is 9/16. All right, let's do a couple of review problems to keep this fraction stuff fresh on your brain. The first thing I want you to do is 5/9 plus 8/18. Remember, you line it up vertically. Solve that problem. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. Remember, you have to find the least common denominator, which is easy to do by now. You keep multiplying until you find one that's the same. 9 times 1 is 9. 18 times 1 is 18. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 is your least common denominator. Now you got to find your new numerators. 9 times 2 is 18. 5 times 2 is 10. 18 times 1 is 18. 8 times 1 is 8. And then you add the numerators. 10 plus 8 is 18. Denominator is 18. Is this an improper fraction? Yes. Take the numerator, divide by the denominator. 18 goes into 18 one time. The answer is 1. There you go. You should have got 1 as your answer. All right, the next one. Last review problem. 11/12 minus 2/3. Solve that problem. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. You must find the least common denominator, which is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. 12 times 1 is 12. 11 times 1 is 11. Then you subtract. The numerators, 11 minus 8 is 3. My denominator stays the same. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? No. The greatest common factor is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. The answer is 1, 4. There you go, you little fifth graders. Now, you get on Google Classroom and finish your work. This is how much coffee I drink every morning.